Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create swipe animations in Canva. So if you want to make eye-catching swipe animations in Canva that look professional, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how you can create swipe effects that grab attention in 2025. So first you can just create a new project. Choose Instagram story or maybe custom dimensions. So in here I'm using this presentation size, but you can always change it, and then you can just add images, shapes or tags. For example, in here I'm going to just add an image or shape. Let's just add a shape in here. Let's say I'm going to use this shapes right here, and now you can just keep your slides simple for better animation flow, and you can add two to three elements that will move across the screen. Now just apply the swipe animation. You can select the element, click on animate, and then choose the slide or pan or drift. So for example, I'm going to use the drift. Let's just use the pan in here, and after that you can just adjust the direction left, right, up or down, and apply different animations to different elements for a dynamic look. So if you have more than one elements, you can choose a different animations. For example, here for this one I'm going to go with drift, so it will go like this. And now you can animate a multiple slides. So if you have more than one slide, you can just duplicate, let's say duplicate page in here, and then you can apply slide variation in position and animation. So you can choose a different animation if you want to, and then create smooth swipe transition between slides. You can go with this add transition and choose the dissolve maybe, or the transitions that you want. And if you're done, you can just click on share, download, and choose the MP4 video format. So that's how you can create smooth swipe animations in Canva. If this tutorial helped, click like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye!